In this video I'll explain how to fix PayPal Pay in 4 not showing up and what actually affects its availability so you know what to expect. Pay in 4 is PayPal's installment option that allows eligible users to split a purchase into 4 payments, but it doesn't appear for every account, merchant, or transaction. One of the biggest reasons is eligibility, as PayPal regularly reviews your account history, usage patterns, and overall standing before offering installment options. Location also matters because Pay in 4 is only supported in certain countries, and some merchants choose not to enable it at checkout. Transaction amount can also play a role, since smaller or very large purchases may not qualify. If you believe you're eligible but still don't see it, basic steps like clearing browser cache, updating the PayPal app, logging out and back in, or trying a different device can sometimes help. It's also important to ensure your linked payment method supports installment payments. If the option still doesn't appear, reaching out to PayPal support is the safest way to confirm whether there are account-specific limitations. Subscribe now for more honest, easy-to-follow payment and app guides you can trust.